All right, guys, so this morning I am getting the final things for the Galentine's brunch. Hello, everyone. So I'm actually heading out to Walmart. I don't know why I did not go there at all yet, but I'm sure they have tons of decor. So I'm gonna go check out their Valentine's decor and then grab some DIY items so that I can DIY some things for the Galentine's brunch. See y'all there. Bye. For our first DIY, I am going to do a Valentine's heart garland. I grabbed these heart confettis here from Walmart. They were only 98 cents and it came in this metallic pink. Then there's like this metallic silver and red color for those. And then alternate with this glitter. There's some smaller red ones and then some bigger pink ones. And then the yarn was also from Walmart. This was $3 in their craft section. And I just thought it was so cute because it has this pink color and then it has like this metallic-y color around it. So my window measures 5 feet, so I want these to go all the way down length of the window. So I'm gonna measure out 5 feet of this yarn. So we're weeding it through the front here, pulling it through. We have another one. So I'm not gluing it down like I did this one just yet because I'm trying to see the distance that I would like since I have 10 of these. Guys, for my next DIY, I got 2 sheets of this gold paper, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is fold it in half and make a crease. So now that it's folded in half, take my cutting mat here, just cut it across that half point. Now that's completely cut, and then I'm going to fold in half again. I use the straight edge to keep my line straight. Now we're cutting up to the 2 inch. There's one. This is done. So now once this is done, just open it up and try to lay it as flat as you can. That's that. Then you roll. shake it. Do a twist. Then fold. Again, crossing one in front of the other and then twisting. I like to get my hot glue gun just to make it a little more secure and glue it down right there. And there's your first streamer, guys. All right, now we're gonna repeat that same process with this pink tissue paper. To assemble. So I actually went ahead and cut the string. It's at 8 feet. So I think I'm gonna start by alternating. So I'll go ahead and weed it in this way. Gold first. Polka dot. Then pink. So now I am finally done with the garland. This is so cute, guys. I can't wait to put it up and we see what it looks like. But that is it for that DIY. So the next one is going to be very simple. Let me move this out the way and I'll show you the next DIY. Alright guys, for my next DIY I will be writing on these chalkboard easels, and this is really simple because the easel I bought from Target, it was 4 in a pack for $3. So first I'm just gonna freehand with pencil, and then I'm gonna take this chalkboard marker that I got and then write it out in chalkboard. Going to do a DIY with these labels that I also got from Target. Alright, for this I am going to actually write a cute little saying. I think I wanted to say, love my gals a brunch. So let me go ahead. I'll first take my ruler to make a straight line. actually bought these pre-made photo booth items. These would be so cute for the Galentines because you got the lips, the pink lips, the red lips, then you have your little mustache. But they had this blank one here, and so I'm going to write on here. So that's all our props. And now it's time to set up. Guys, so that is all for our DIY Galentine brunch, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscription button below, and I will see y'all next Monday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.